Preston is here from D.A. Davidson, and we're talking about market news. So we're talking about Wall Street. Sounds like it was mixed yesterday.
Yes, it was. It really was a kind of a quiet day. The Dow was down 25, but the NASDAQ and the S&P were both up. NASDAQ is actually still right at record levels, so it's had a strong performance. And both the NASDAQ and the S&P have been up for the last 5 days. So lots of news that could have and should have affected the markets, but it's been just pretty quiet. Maybe we're heading to the dog days of summer already.
And yeah, you were talking about affecting the market. So what was it that did affect the market?
Well, there were a couple things. The first was the fact that the Fed did raise rates again, which they'd pretty well broadcast. They would. Now we're at 2% for their base lending rate. And the thing that was of note, though, was the chairman Powell came out very positive about the economy, saying things are very good. And talked about the unemployment rates and basically hinted to the fact that we'll see 2 more rate increases this year. So that was a positive. Then we had retail sales was double what they anticipated. It's up 5.9 for the year. And the weekly jobless claims, again, continue to fall. So basically, you know, as Powell said, anybody that wants a job has a job. So we're doing real well.
And let's turn our attention now to European Central Bank. What are they doing right now? Are they following anyone's lead?
Yeah, they're really just kind of following our lead. We laid out a map and they followed it. They're basically at 0% interest rate. They're buying the debt. They're now saying that they're going to begin to unwind that. They're going to actually start emptying the balance sheet. They want to be done with their quantitative easing by the end of the year. And again, as Bernanke did, Bernanke always let everybody know exactly what he's doing, what he's thinking, because the market hates surprises, and their Fed chairman is doing the same thing, very public about everything. So interestingly, though, the Dow looks like it's going to close down, or excuse me, open down about 100 points today, just due to the China tariff talk. So Friday is always an interesting day because people want to take the risk off the table before the weekend, and so could be a fun day today.
Yeah, we'll keep our eyes on it. Well, thank you so much for joining us. Have a good weekend, and we'll be back after this break.